Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of red light therapy. Imagine a world where you could reduce wrinkles and scars without invasive procedures or speed up muscle recovery after a tough workout. That's the potential of red light therapy, and we're here to break it all down for you. We'll explore its uses, benefits, and potential risks, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health and wellness. Let's talk about one of the most popular applications of red light therapy: skin health. This non-invasive treatment has been gaining traction for its remarkable benefits in rejuvenating the skin and combating the signs of aging. We all want that youthful glow, and as a doctor, I've seen firsthand how aging can impact our self-esteem. The fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots that come with time can make us feel less confident about our appearance. Red light therapy works by stimulating collagen production, a protein that gives our skin its structure and elasticity. Collagen is essential for maintaining the skin's firmness and smoothness, and its production naturally decreases as we age. Think of collagen as the building blocks of youthful skin. When we have an abundance of collagen, our skin looks plump, smooth, and radiant. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and fine lines. This reduction in collagen can also cause the skin to sag and lose its youthful appearance. Red light therapy can help replenish these building blocks, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a smoother, more even skin tone. By penetrating the skin at a cellular level, it encourages the production of new collagen and elastin fibers. But it doesn't stop there. The benefits of red light therapy extend beyond just reducing wrinkles. Red light therapy can also help reduce the appearance of scars, including acne scars. Acne scars can be particularly stubborn and difficult to treat, but red light therapy offers a promising solution. By promoting cell regeneration and reducing inflammation, it can help fade those stubborn marks and improve overall skin texture. The therapy works by increasing blood flow to the treated areas, which helps to deliver essential nutrients and oxygen to the skin cells. Additionally, red light therapy can enhance the effectiveness of your skincare products. When used in conjunction with a good skincare routine, it can help your skin absorb the active ingredients more effectively, leading to better results. It's a holistic approach to skincare that not only targets the surface but also works from within to promote long-term skin health. Whether you're dealing with the early signs of aging or looking to maintain your skin's youthful appearance, red light therapy can be a valuable addition to your beauty regimen. So, if you're looking to turn back the clock on aging skin, consider giving red light therapy a try. It's a safe, effective, and natural way to rejuvenate your skin and boost your confidence. Embrace the power of red light therapy and let your skin shine with youthful radiance. Your journey to healthier, more vibrant skin starts here. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, muscle recovery is key. It's the foundation that allows you to keep pushing forward, to keep improving, and to stay injury-free. Without proper recovery, even the most dedicated fitness enthusiasts can find themselves sidelined by fatigue or injury. We push our bodies to the limit, and red light therapy can be a game changer in optimizing recovery and performance. This innovative treatment uses specific wavelengths of light to penetrate deep into the muscle tissues, promoting healing at a cellular level. It's like giving your muscles a helping hand, ensuring they recover faster and more efficiently. Imagine reducing muscle soreness after an intense workout or recovering from an injury faster. Red light therapy can make this a reality. By stimulating the production of ATP, the energy currency of our cells, it helps muscles repair and grow stronger. This means you can get back to your training routine quicker, with less pain and discomfort. Red light therapy increases blood flow to muscles, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen for repair. This enhanced circulation is crucial for muscle recovery, as it ensures that your muscles get everything they need to heal and grow. It's like giving your muscles a nutrient-rich smoothie after a tough workout. This enhanced circulation also helps flush out metabolic waste products, reducing inflammation and speeding up the healing process. Inflammation is a natural response to muscle damage, but too much of it can slow down recovery. Red light therapy helps keep inflammation in check, allowing your muscles to heal more efficiently. For athletes, this means less downtime and faster return to peak performance. Whether you're training for a marathon, competing in a triathlon, or just trying to stay in shape, red light therapy can help you stay on top of your game. It allows you to train harder and recover faster, giving you a competitive edge. But it's not just about elite athletes. Red light therapy can benefit anyone looking to optimize their workouts and support their body's natural healing mechanisms. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a busy parent trying to stay fit, or someone recovering from an injury, red light therapy can help you feel your best. So, if you're looking for a way to enhance your muscle recovery, reduce soreness, and get back to your workouts faster, consider giving red light therapy a try. It's a simple, non-invasive treatment that can make a big difference in how you feel and perform. Your muscles will thank you. Chapter 3: Finding Relief Red Light Therapy for Pain Management. Chronic pain affects millions of people worldwide, impacting their quality of life. From arthritis to back pain, these conditions can make even the simplest tasks feel like monumental challenges. The constant discomfort can lead to a decrease in physical activity, which in turn can affect mental health, creating a vicious cycle of pain and depression. As a doctor, I'm always looking for safe and effective ways to manage pain, and red light therapy offers a promising solution. This non-invasive treatment has been gaining popularity due to its potential to provide relief without the side effects commonly associated with medications. Patients often ask me about alternative therapies, and red light therapy is one that I frequently recommend. Unlike medications that mask pain, red light therapy targets inflammation, a common root cause of many pain conditions. By addressing the inflammation directly, it helps to reduce the pain at its source. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic conditions, where long-term medication use can lead to dependency and other health issues. The deep penetrating power of red light reaches deep into tissues, reducing inflammation and providing relief for conditions like arthritis and joint pain. This therapy works by stimulating cellular repair and increasing circulation, which helps to accelerate the healing process. Many patients report feeling a significant reduction in pain and an improvement in their overall mobility after just a few sessions. Imagine experiencing less stiffness, greater mobility, and a reduction in those nagging aches and pains. With regular use, red light therapy can help you maintain a more active lifestyle, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. It's not just about managing pain, it's about improving your quality of life. Red light therapy can be a powerful tool in your pain management arsenal, helping you regain control of your life and live it to the fullest. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or looking for a way to recover from an injury, this therapy offers a natural and effective solution. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your life? Chapter 4: Shine a light on mental wellness. Mental health is just as important as physical health, and it's an area where red light therapy is showing incredible promise. We all experience stress, anxiety, and occasional low moods. Red light therapy can help by regulating mood and promoting a sense of well-being. It works by stimulating the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in mood regulation, sleep, and appetite. Imagine experiencing a brighter mood, reduced anxiety, and improved sleep quality. While more research is needed, early studies suggest that red light therapy could be a valuable tool in supporting mental wellness and improving overall quality of life. Chapter 5: Accelerate Healing Red Light Therapy for Tissue Recovery. Our bodies have an incredible ability to heal, and red light therapy can help accelerate that process. Whether it's recovering from surgery, a sports injury, or even a minor wound, red light therapy can promote faster healing and tissue regeneration. It works by stimulating cellular energy production, which is essential for cell growth and repair. This boost in cellular energy helps damaged tissues heal faster and more efficiently. Imagine experiencing reduced wound healing time, less scarring, and a faster return to your active lifestyle. Red light therapy can be a valuable tool in your recovery journey, helping you bounce back stronger and healthier. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. We're passionate about empowering you to take control of your health and explore innovative therapies like red light therapy. Remember, while red light therapy has many benefits, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. They can help you determine if it's right for you and guide you on safe and effective usage. Here's to a healthier, happier you.